Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the best tech and gear to help you make the right buying decision. Today, we're looking at what is arguably the best keyboard piano 88 keys on the market right now. The Yamaha P45B, a full-size, weighted digital piano that promises the feel of an acoustic piano with all the modern conveniences you'd expect from a digital setup. Right out of the box, the Yamaha P45B has everything you need to start playing: a sleek black design, built-in speakers, a music rest, power adapter, a sustained foot switch, and even a headphone jack so you can practice in peace without disturbing others. This is a plug-and-play piano for players who want simplicity, reliability, and quality. Let's talk about the key experience here, literally. The Yamaha P45B features 88 fully weighted keys with graded hammer standard action. That means it mimics the feel of an acoustic piano. Heavier touch in the lower keys, lighter touch in the upper keys. And thanks to its touch-sensitive response, your dynamics, whether soft or loud, are fully expressed. This is perfect for intermediate players who are looking to transition from a basic keyboard to something more advanced, or for beginners who want to develop proper technique from the start. The sound engine here is powered by Yamaha's AWM stereo sampling, offering 10 distinct voices including 2 rich grand piano sounds. These voices are not just sampled, they're immersive, with a deep bass and clear treble that fills the room, whether you're using the built-in speakers or headphones. You also get options like electric pianos, organs, strings, and harpsichords, which makes this a versatile instrument for any musical style. Operation is kept incredibly simple. There's a single button control interface, which means you're not distracted by a complex menu system while playing. Yamaha's streamlined approach keeps you focused on your music, not on navigating a screen. If you want to practice with backing or in silence, the P45B has you covered with USB to host connectivity. That allows you to connect it to your computer or smart device for MIDI recording or using virtual instrument software. You also get the benefit of a headphone jack, perfect for quiet late-night practice. Let's take a moment to appreciate what makes this stand out in its category. At its price point, few digital pianos offer this combination of fully weighted keys, quality sound, and portable design. It weighs around 25 pounds, which means it's easy to move from home to studio, or from gig to rehearsal. As for build quality, Yamaha's reputation precedes itself. The P45B is solid and sturdy, with a matte finish on the keys that resists slipping, an often overlooked but very practical feature. It also comes with a sustained foot switch that lets you add emotion and expression to your playing, just like on a traditional piano. To wrap it up, the Yamaha P45B is the ideal choice for anyone who wants the acoustic piano experience in a modern, accessible package. Whether you're just starting out or a more advanced player looking for a reliable practice instrument, this keyboard delivers performance, portability, and power without the extra frills. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in the Yamaha P45B, check the description for links and more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into top-rated tech and gear. See you in the next video.